What's up, good people? Better Today Trades. Christopher, aka Babyface Young, back with another live stream. We're doing another live trading. Catch us here Monday and Friday. As long as there is trading, I'm here trading. Mondays and Fridays on YouTube live. All right, so let's see here what we got going on today. We're trading the NASDAQ futures per usual. So we've got price opening up within yesterday's value area, above yesterday's value area point of control, but below yesterday's value area high. As you can see, and then the value area low is way down here. So going into the bell, I would be looking for price to breach the value area pop, buyers to come in, and for us to continue the move up that we started yesterday. Or price will break this value area pop. No buyers will come in. More sellers will come in, and we test this value area low, this 18.2 level, something like that. That is what I'm expecting from our play here today. 8:26, got about 4 minutes before the bell opens. Before the bell go crazy. Oh God. Oh, come on, not you. So this is an in value day. Usually in value days are smaller range, days. So you may want to be quicker. Monday was an in value day too. So if you want to go back and check that live stream, you might want to be quick because I said the same thing. You might want to be quicker to take profit. You might not want to have a long target. But yesterday had a lot of range. So we're in the value area has a lot of range. So this one today may be a little bit different. You might be typically I think 35 to 75 points is a lot on a in value day. But you could probably get at least 100 points out of this in value day just because it's 200 points from the value area high to the value area pop. And that's not even going all the way to the value area low. If you trade half of that today, we moved like 400 points yesterday. So half of that is 200 points. A fourth of that is 100 points. So I need to buy a new mouse. This is ridiculous. My mouse has a cord on it now. What is it, 2008? Why don't you put one of them little balls on the bottom too? Pause. So if you sign up for the Discord, you can get, and the mentorship, you can get my indicators here that I use as well. So you can be able to actually trade this system with me like we do every day in the room. Shout out to my IT guy, Bmont, for coding up all of these indicators. You can see this one right here when it goes negative, when the fast EMA goes below the slower EMA, it turns red. It's light red. You see that? That's pretty cool. All right, guys, we got about a minute till we open. Probably less than that now. Let me mute this. We are open. As you can see, guys, we are opening in value. opening just under this 18.3 level, whole dollar number. Let's watch it unfold. I like to sit on my hands for the first few minutes, guys. At least 5 minutes, 6 minutes. Ideally about 15, 10 to 15. I'm waiting for my moves, guys. As you can see, these value area levels, the high, the pop, I put a box around them because these are areas, these aren't levels. They're not like all the, well, that's what the same thing with all areas of support and resistance, but I don't know, these levels I like to put boxes around. Also because when they become untested, I can leave them on there. Like up here. You should just tweak me out. Yeah. Okay, we're pushing. We just pushed above that 18.3. This is that big thick level is last week's mid. Last week's mid tends to be a level of last week's levels tend to be like high, mid, low. Tend to be heavy levels of support and resistance. Like if you wanna look back to the rest of the week, you see Monday we couldn't get above last week's mid. Tuesday we got above, we rejected it, and in the morning we fell back a low. You see all of this whole week is centered around the mid, and now we've pulled back to the mid after getting above it yesterday. Pulled back to it and dropped below it, but all right, we're back at the 18.3 level. Will it put it in as support here? Hasn't even touched 18.3 yet. Yeah, sellers are trying. Mm. Pushing, there we go. Seller's still up there. Push. Come on, there we go. Come on. Okay, so they're definitely buying off this 18.3 level. I feel like they need to violate it at least. Reach it a little bit. There we go. We at least touched it. Now we finally touched it. I think we go lower though. Go below it. Oh. My bad, y'all. Yeah. Alright, you can still hear me, so we good. Find something to clip this on. Bet. Okay, and the seller pushed it below the 18.3. This is where the buyer should step up heavy. If not, we're going to that value area pop below. There we go. Pretty predictable. And see, the reason I'm not taking any trades here is because this is muddied waters. I want the move. I want the move. I want the meat of the move. And I have to see who gets trapped before I know which side we're going. Really. They just paint the picture right now. Very much indecision and you can look at the 5 minute candles, 2 5 minute candles that we have. We have a higher high and a lower, I mean, a higher low and a lower high, which is indecision. The way this is shaping up, though, it's looking like we're gonna have another higher low. Were they pushing off that 18.3? Let's see how they close this 15-minute candle. There may be a trade presenting itself within the next 5 to 10. Trying this 18.3 again. This would be the moment. $2.99. I guess I'm getting long here. Terrible idea. Is this the same half-whole dollar number that we bounced off of? I don't think so. Yesterday was 18.2, today's 18.3. So it looks like we are trying to put this whole dollar number of 18.3 in as support here. So the only way to get that confirmation would be a higher high. On the 5 minute in this 5 minute, because we don't have anything on this 15-minute yet. But the true confirmation would be on the 15-minute. If this next 15-minute candle puts in a higher high than the candle we're in right now, this one right here that's about to open up in a minute can make a higher high without making a lower low, then you got a cup pattern here, and a confirmation will be up here if that happens. So the 5-minute, we did get a higher high on that 5-minute candle, but barely. New 5-minute candle opening here, 8:45. I mean the 9:45 candle. lot of resistance up there, though. Like I said, we got that last week's mid up there. Um, we are below the 9 and the 20 on the daily, and yesterday's mid plus the average price. Seller's still strong up here. Yeah, not that strong, I guess. Okay, so we inched a little. This could be a fail follow through. We want to see this to continue. We did put in a higher high, obviously, on that 15-minute chart. But we want to see. I really want to see this get above last week's mid and hold, or explode. Really. Like this entire that right there. That's sellers. I just see sell orders sitting somewhere here. So we had to chew through those and then pop to the moon. Drop where you goons at. Hot. Okay. I smoke every morning before I trade, and when I smoke and listen to beats, I be wanting to rap. So forgive me if I spit some amazing bars while we sit here and watch the charts. Yeah, and I top them. Top them. I'm hot. I'm hotter than one hot. Yeah, I'm not ready. I'm not ready. It's cool. It's fine. It's fine. You ain't gotta be ready for everything. Come on, push. That's what we need is a push. It's crazy too, cause it's like the reversals come in right at this exact time you would expect them to. Even on like if you look at technicals and you see the last week's mid, and it's obviously some sellers are coming in off of these levels here, but also uh, about 35 points from this low to this high, 38 points, and that's usually when you get a retracement. Usually retracements are anywhere from 35 to probably 45 points on the NASDAQ. Reversals come in after at about that 50 point retracement becomes a reversal. But yeah, look at the level of selling that just came in off that $38 last week's mid level. Like, I don't know, something to be said about the range, typical range of a move in the NASDAQ, typical behavior of the NASDAQ, I guess. Like, although we will give you 100 points in a day, we gonna give it to you in 35-point increments. And we gonna make you earn it, because we gonna try to stop you out every step of the way. Okay, low retracement. A 23-point retracement. Like I said, I want to see us get above last week's mid. So, and hold it. But the real test would be getting above yesterday's mid, that wide mid level here. 18,345-ish. Selling off the 18.4. Why? Sometimes I want to know why. Sometimes I just need to know. But I never need to know. I just need to know that. Sellers, man. Like I said, wall of sellers right in this area, in this region here. Wall of sellers. Until we get above there, we have to chew through here. So we had a wall of sellers. Trying to get through these sellers now. Guess I could raise it up to here. We've eaten through a few sellers, but we're not really because they're stepping back up. But that's actually what eating through sellers is buying what they're selling until they run out of things to sell, basically. And then once they run out of things to sell, they have to stop out if they were initiating positions there, which gives you more fuel to push higher. And the same thing on the other side. If we were down at the lows and expecting continuation further down. Trying to push. Okay. Couple more sellers ate through. Few more sellers ate through. Nibbled on at least. But about there. But I'm just expecting fresh sales up here. Like, these are sellers that haven't even been tapped yet. They're just waiting for these levels. Boom. Alright. So trying to nibble some more. this? $55. That 10 o'clock candle. About to open up. Alright, last 5 minutes in this candle. Let's see what they do about this wick. How big this wick ends up being for this 15-minute candle. Or maybe they don't even give us a wick. Maybe it ends at the highs. That would be crazy. Just get a full body. I don't think we're gonna get that, but that would be crazy. That would be cool. That would be very bullish. The wick that they putting on this bitch though now is not very bullish. We still got 4 minutes, 3 minutes, not 3.5 minutes. I'm gonna draw this, but I fully expect this to get snapped. Probably shouldn't even draw it because as soon as I draw it, it's gonna get snapped. Literally as soon as I draw it. 2.5 minutes left in this candle, roughly. I don't know. I don't have like a second. I don't have a clock with the second hand going right now, so 2 minutes. I just changed. 2 minutes left in this candle. Let's see. So it looks like they're gonna put a wick on this, which means the sellers took control towards the end of the candle. Oh man, will they close above last week's mid? No. Be that bullish. Come on. Yeah, it looks like seasonal weakness might be letting up here. So we can go on this run through the rest of April, May, maybe June. Wow, they gonna close this bitch up like that? No. Oh, they try. That's crazy. That was crazy. Nibbled some more sellers up here though. Like I said, I knew there was gonna be sellers up here. Knew there was gonna be sellers up here. And they were heavy. As soon as we touched that shit. They are reactive up there too. But they've been touched now. So they've begun to be nibbled. Ooh, what the fuck, bro? See, that's why I hate the 10 o'clock candle. That's impossible. Slippage is a bitch, bro. Thursday was up there hard. Look at that shit. It's I told you I shouldn't have drunk this shit. That's crazy. My stop was in the money and I still got stopped out. My stop was 10 points in the money. I still got stopped out 5 points out of the money. That's and now they really finna stop off. How to find another entry. That's insane. I hate secondary entries. Last little bit of sellers up here. Damn, they really were reactive up there, huh? That's crazy.
Order filled.
Dirty baby back,
Stop
bitch.
filled. Order filled.
Yeah, they were not going for that. I was like, are they gonna really? They closed above that bitch and said no. Psych. Psych, bitch. They closed above last week's mid and said, now we go below. Now we go down. Okay, so we're back at 18.3. Are those buyers still here? Let's see. There were buyers. There were buyers 30 minutes ago.
Stop filled.
Uh, that's nasty. That's dirty
Order
work
filled.
right there. They swiped 30 minutes of longs. They swiped 30 minutes of longs in like 30 seconds. The sellers are not playing up there. Okay, let's see if they can hold this 18.3 again. That means we're gonna have to do 30 more minutes of buying. We only got 30 minutes left on this stream, so Let's hope we get a move, man. Yeah, if the sellers can hold control here, we're at least going down to that the pot from yesterday. Value area pot. Point of control. Yeah, seller is strong. That shit is crapped out. Pre-market low breach. I'm waiting on the pop now, y'all. I'm not taking any more trades until we touch this pop, probably. So I guess unless we reclaim and hold 18.3, this should go lower. That explains why. Oh, there we go. There we go. All right. I would like it to actually touch the line, but at least touch the area. All right, new 5 minute. New 5 minute. attention. Looks like buyers came in off that. I say pre-market low level more so than the value area pop, but it's all the same thing because there is this is the price that most volume was traded, but that means that this was the area that most volume was traded yesterday, and you can see that because this area here we're looking at now was the same area that we opened up and traded in for an hour yesterday before reversing and going up. So, I say that to say that this region from about here to here is the region that the value area pop region, more than likely. Lots of volume went off in here. You can see it down here, and if I actually had the volume profile on here, you probably would be able to see it here too. But that should be cluttering up the chart, so I'll put that on there. Sellers selling off that 300. This could go below the pot at that rate. If they really know that stop, they gon' hey, yeah.
Order filled.
3 minutes left in this 15-minute candle. See how much they can handle. My name's not Daniel. I don't know anybody named Daniel. No, I don't know anyone named Daniel. Not named Daniel. Not named Daniel. And my name's not Daniel. So yesterday in this region there were, let's see, roughly, and this was 70,000 in this candle alone. 70,000 shares. 20,000. 20. 50. 80. 110. 140. And about 160. 165. And more than half of those were buys yesterday. 150,000 shares. I guess contracts. I don't. Lots of volume traded down there. A 15-minute candle. So we're stepping up right away. Do the buyers have a response for the massive amounts of selling that have transpired. No, it looks like it's paper hands. That was weird. What the fuck? That was weird. It just skipped up and then went back down. So. Real rapper raw. Real rapper raw lethal. I knew today was gonna be boring, y'all. Look at this. I guess it's not boring if you were selling where I said there were sellers. That's a clean. Damn, is that a clean 100? No, that's a clean like 75 points. Let's see. Like right off. Look at that. Look at the way that kissed that pop like that. That's dirty work right there. Oh, that's 83 points. That's 83 points if you got all of that 72. See? In value days, man, they're boring. Okay, all the buying that just came in off the fucking pop, though. Well, it's probably covers too. Shorts covering off the pop. Yesterday's pop. Next time we get up here in this region, though, if we can do it today, those sellers aren't there anymore because they're covering down here. Likely. I used to be able to whistle good. Not. I wish I could. I wish I could whistle good. I wish I could sing good. Because if I could sing, I'd probably be somewhere on tour. Because I'd just be walking around singing. I'd be on the bus singing. I just take walks to sing around, just to sing. I talk to people singing. I have conversations in song. What are you talking about? If I could sing, when I pulled up with the thing, it was a chopper. It was a chopper. Oh, it was a chopper. And I shot her when I heard. But I shot the chopper. Why didn't you stop her? I had the chopper. I really do have a chopper. And it chops things down. And it taps people down. And so, moral of the story: follow your trade plan. Because y'all remember when I first got on this microphone today, the first thing I said was mean reversion, looking for a test of the pop, buyers to step in, push. I started getting long off the whole dollar number, which gave me some success, but sellers was up there heavy, not playing. They wanted that pop. They went and got that pop. They covered. Maybe some buyers stepped in. Who knows? Now we back at 300. That whole dollar number. That whole dollar number. Not half. use half dollar and whole dollars in like stocks, regular stocks, but this is $18,000. You just use the whole dollar number. We're not really back. We're not wrong. Let's see if those sellers are still here at this 18.3. Or if they're gonna be cool and let me be me. Push to the heavens when I came through, good heavens. Number 11, never number 7. Lucky number 72. Quite the battle here for 18.3. We'll have to see who wins. I have to piss. It's ridiculous. Luckily, we only have 7 minutes left in the stream. I just said I had to piss and then I drank some more water. Now, if these sellers want to keep this going lower, this is the level they have to defend with their lives. Because it'll be their lives. They let it go. They're defending it though. They are stepping up. There we go. Okay, sellers off that 18.3. I don't want to give it up. still in control. Will we get a retest of this wick? It looks as if we will. Alright, let me chill. That is sexy. Sexy for the sellers. Last 4 minutes of this candle for this 15-minute candle, which will put us at the end of our stream. That gives us our 4 candles for the day. And it was just like in Value Days Be Boring. No real range expansion. About an 85-point range. Now, if you have another hour after the stream to sit here and watch the chart, you'll probably see something cool happen. But it kind of just looks like a low volume Friday, man. You might not see anything cool happen. There's some weird action going on down there. Like some strong, inconspicuous buy-in. That's weird. Something weird going on down at this level. 2 minutes left in this candle.
Stop filled.
Went back to retest within this wick. More than 50% of the wick here. Alright, guys. So that's the end of our stream. Boring day in the market. Looks like I'm down 4R. Just doing too much off the whole dollar numbers. But you know, when you make a lot of R's, when you do win, a few R's when you lose, it's not too terrible. And that's what I want to teach you guys over in the Discord if you sign up. Risk management, so that when you do win, you win big, and when you lose small. Because we will all lose in this game. So if you guys want to sign up, the link is in the description for the Discord. You get my full playbook, you get my indicators, you get mentorship with me for a year. Alright guys, I'll holla.